So I was playing on Red Dead Redemption and was trying to follow the train, and suddenly the woman that was inside the train sitting, apparently she came out of the train sitting on the air on the track of the train. So you will see what happens to her. It's kind of cool, but kind of weird, but she just sits there.
Oh my, this has made my day.
Damn it.
It is you, isn't it? You're the man who intervened, saving my friend from great distress and hurt. It'd be an honor to reward you on his behalf, if I may.
I'm not gonna do this. Wait. Let's see. Look. Can you see where she goes like twirling or like? Look. I can go right here. Go like. See. She go like circling, sitting on the air. It's kind of witch. I don't know. It's kind of cool. Let's see. It's kind of weird, but it's one of some glitch that happened. Let me push her see what happens. She just sits there doing nothing. Yeah, so you can see that.
Well, I'm coming for your Alex.
Let me see if I kill her. There we go. Whoa, stop. Okay, please stop. Okay, there you go. Oh, okay. Okay, there you go. So apparently she cannot die, so yeah, she's a witch. Oh, there we go, she died. Okay, so the witch sit-in woman just died. So there you have it, the sit-in witch woman, old train, whatever.